I have the new HBX 2997A out here today on a baseball field. I'm gonna run off-road. This is only the second time I've run this truck. This thing went 30 miles an hour on 2S with the included battery and 40 miles an hour on 3S in my previous video. Link in the video description. Today I'm gonna test it out off-road and see how it performs. Stay tuned, guys. I'm looking forward to this thing. Oil-filled shocks, front and rear differentials, and a center differential, and a 3650 sized motor, 3800 kV, certified ripper right here. Let's see what it does. This is on 2S. Nice. Check this thing out. Considering these are on and off-road tires, the grip is decent. Try it in the grass a little bit.
Hey man, you not do that on the field. Breaking the law,
That was cool.
Well, I had to relocate. That guy didn't take kindly to me playing on the baseball field, but we'll go ahead and try it out here on some grass and on some crushed stone. 2S. All right, it's soaking up these bumps pretty good. It's only a 12 scale. So considering, whoa, lost my GPS. Considering it's only 12 scale, it's performing well. I'm gonna take the GPS off, 20 miles an hour. Right away, compared to HBX 16 scale trucks, this thing handles off-road much better. This crushed stone, whatever it's called, the asphalt millings, they are hard to drive on, and this is actually handling really well. My 16 scale HBX truck just is a mess on it. And this is eating up the terrain pretty good. Well, I'll have to save the 3S baseball field video for another day, but maybe I'll do 3S out here for just a minute and see how it handles. All right, with the stock 2S battery, I did the speed runs and I just did this off-road running, and we're down to about 3.7 volts per cell. So that's about as low as I really want to run it. The performance starts to dip off after that. But decent run times. I don't know how long I was actually running it. I would say less than 10 minutes. but probably more than 5. So you got 2 batteries, and again, small battery box, so you're limited to the capacity of the battery you can run in here, so your run times are going to be affected accordingly. That's one area I wish HBX would address in the next version of this, but again, this thing's fun, and I've had plenty of run time. I could just throw another battery in there. Here we go. I have a fresh 3S Urgenix 2200 mAh 50C LIPO in here. Yeah, it's a whole nother animal on 3S. All right, this is pretty rough on it, and I don't like to abuse my RC cars. I mean, it's taken it. I did bend this body panel out, and I snapped it back in, and you can see it kind of creased the Lexan a bit. Let's see how hot the motor and ESC are. The grass is hard on it, and it did it, but all right, the motor, I can hold my finger on there for about 10 seconds. The 3S battery, I can't strap it down. I need a bigger strap. That's one area that HBX needs to address. If it's 3S ready, it needs to be able to secure a 3S battery in there, so a longer battery strap is in order. The ESC is cool. So, I mean, it handled 3S well. I had some good tumbles there. Don't want to do too much more though, because this battery is just not secured as it should be. I'm gonna call it quits here for the day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe, and lots more HBX 2997A content coming in the future.